are watching Andy live making his hashtag Cast Iron Wednesday one pan breakfast.
Welcome to the Paige family homestead. I'm Andy. Anyway, we're doing Cast Iron Wednesday, hashtag breakfast. Anything cooked in a cast iron frying pan doesn't have to be pretty, so long as it tastes good. Bring it in and send it over to Native Tears and Shovelhead 8. And this is for JJV Homestead Study in Arkansas Woodcutter. Peace out, brother. Okay, this is a one-pan cast iron breakfast. What I've got here is bacon. Bacon. Okay.
You diced it?
I diced it and I sliced it. I'm just going to fry her up. Let all that goodness go all over the place. Now what I've got potatoes, onions, green peppers, and sausage, Johnsonville sausage. Gooza. Now we're going to put in the potatoes. Here, oh, hear that?
Oh, you left a little soldier.
It can't be that.
No.
Run away.
He's made me wait a long time for this breakfast. It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon.
This is brunch. Can't help it. I had to come up with the idea, right?
He had to go for a ride. Take it while the weather's good.
Yep. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of salt and Himalayan all over the ground salt.
Easy on the salt there, Grandpa.
Yeah, I know, but there's other people to consider around here, like me, myself, and I.
So bad you stuck another shake on. Everybody in the comments, give this boy crap. He's got fake salt to use.
You said crap. Just stir that around a bit, and I'm going to put the onions. I got spring onions and a little bit of a normal onion in there.
Cooking onion.
Cooking onion.
Sweet.
Yeah. It's cooking now.
It smells so good.
You don't want to overpower them with onions, but hey, I like onions. Looking good, isn't it? Hey, looking good. And then I'm going to put in just green pepper. Not hot peppers, just green bell peppers. Right out of the garden in the grocery store. That one was. Oh, the smell. You smell that? You smell that?
Yeah.
And you should smell this breakfast too.
A squirt of what?
The line. There. Just a squirt. There. Oh, now smell that? Breakfast I eat. Okay. Now, I'll let that cook for a little bit of while with the lid on. Oh, look at that. Potatoes are coming good. Look at that. Bacon in there, you can smell it. Oh, my. That's good. And when you're doing your cast iron, a lot of people turn their videos, turn their burners up high, on high, you know, you cook it at a slow heat. It retains its heat. Not like some people with bananas. But anyway, I just got mine at 3 on the stove. You don't need it any higher than that, because then you burn things, like I did last night. The sausages, whoa, that wasn't a good thing.
Oh, I should have took a picture of that actually.
They were
See the
charcoal
color of
fry.
the cast iron pan? Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's what I made the sausages look like.
Yeah, that's what he made his bride.
Yeah. He was very happy with me, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna put the.
We had Cheerios.
That's not just for breakfast anymore, Cheerios. So I'm gonna put in the sausage. Right?
Ground sausage.
Yeah, ground sausage. Johnson's Rockwurst sausage is what it is to be exact. We'll stir that all in there. Oh, looky, looky. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, I said beautiful.
Did you hear him, Tracy? This would be a good frugal
Yes, it would be,
meal too.
but it's
Cast iron.
hashtag cast iron Wednesday breakfast.
Over at Native Tears and
Yeah.
Shovelhead 8. I'm so grateful for this playlist because he cooks more.
Well, actually, what got me cooking more, but my mom always said to me, if a man can't feed himself, he doesn't deserve to be fed. So I've always cooked for myself, which made me feel bad. So I've always done that. But when I got sick, remember the 2016, when I was on oxygen, couldn't do anything. So I just learned cooking, how to cook more. Chef Ramsay and me are like this. Well, that's who inspired me. Was I used to watch his shows all the time. But and I made the first time I made risotto. It turned out perfect. Remember that? It was just beautiful.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Lid.
Oh,
Ow, it's hot.
Hot. Okay. Okay, now, see how we're doing? Oh yeah. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, now, let's put our eggs on. We're just gonna... Accident!
Spoon.
And remember, don't throw away these shells.
The reason is in our
It's on our playlist. Very important you keep them. It's gardening seasoning.
I think it's in the DIY, isn't
Yep.
it? Nice arm. I got a horrible angle.
Would you like my arm? There. Oh, I almost dropped that one.
Oh, that would have been cool.
No, it wasn't. Don't listen to the lady behind the camera. Okay, now we'll cover this up. And when they're done, I'll bring it back to show you. Okay, here we go. Look at that.
Oh, baby.
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at that, eh? Isn't that beautiful? Wow.
It's perfect. Nice. That's a brunch.
Yes, that is. Can I have that other plate, please?
Whoa.
I got her.
Smells so good.
Does, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. You could make this for any size, like you put 2, 3 eggs, 4, 5,
Oh, yeah.
whatever.
Well, it's just us, so.
And there's only one pan for you to wash.
Say what?
Oh, nice.
Okay.
Have your sample so I can have mine.
Okay, let me just get this off the burner. There we go. Let me tell you, people, this is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my, Smell that?
You moved too fast. Couldn't see.
It's good. You're gonna love this.
All right.
And like I said all the time, it's very important to have fruit with your breakfast. Builds you up, keeps germs away, bad germs. Here you go, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Okay. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below what you think about this. Should this be in Andy's restaurant,